everybody, I'm here to Upendo's family. This is Upendo's family. This is Upendo. This is, what's your name? This is Witness, and this is Emmanuel, and this is who? Victoria. This is Victoria. So this family, this mother has 4 children. Here we have 3, but the other one, she lives with her grandmother in far away. So we have only this here today, and I want to introduce you this family. And as I'm starting, I'm going to show you her life. And this is the life where she started to live, as you can see. So I will show you the full house. This is the house which is they started the life. She lived here for 10 years, and so after 10 years, she moved to a new house, which I will show you later. So I welcome you to see the beginning where she started the life. Then I can show you other things. Welcome. Sasa unatakiwa nielezee hapo tena upya, hapa ilikuwa ni wapi? Ingia uone.
Niingie kabisa.
Hapa ilikuwa ni wapi? Hapa ilikuwa ni sebuleni. This was a sitting room. This was sitting room. This is the place where she was sitting with her family and eating food. Okay, hapa ilikuwa sebuleni. Sehemu nyingine?
Ni chumbani.
Tuende muonyeshe chumbani. This is hapa ni chumbani. Bedroom. This is bedroom. You can see that is a window. You can see the window there, small window. This is used to be the bedroom, and now it's not used. You can see it's room for the chicken now. The chicken are sleeping there, and so this is the bedroom I wanted to show you. Thank you. Twende. So we already see the life of this family before. They were started the life here. So after the death of her husband, they moved to the new house. So I can also show you the grave of her husband. Pia aliniambia nimuoneshe sehemu alipozikwa mume wake. Sawa, twende tukamuoneshe. Come. This is where her husband was buried, as you can see. That's the place. That is the cross. That is his cross, and that's where he was buried, as you can see. And let me show close. You can see here. So yeah. So this is where he buried. Thank you. So now we are going to the house, to the new house. Yeah, she said this is the new house after that one. After they moved from that house, now they are in this house. As you can see, this is a new one. But because there are some challenges here, this house is unfinished. But they have to leave because the other one, there was a lot of challenges, as we said. There was linked, and also there was broken. So they were fear that can fall down when they are sleeping. another challenge of this house is these glasses. No glasses, as you can see. There are this one glass, but this one is broken. So this they have to put this. Let me show you. They have to put this to cover in order to protect them from the venomous organisms and also the cold and rain. Nyingine, challenge nyingine. Another one is this one. This window is broken, as you can see. The glass is broken and also here. So it's one of another challenge. Kwa hiyo unaomba nini? So she said they are asking for help if it's possible. We are sorry for disturbance. This is noises from the goat. I'm sorry for disturbance. So she said they are asking for helping to finish this house and to cover the wall and also to put the glasses around the windows and so on. So also put it down.
Mwalimu kapokea mbuzi.
So the inside is looking like this one. As you can see, no floor. So she also asking for the floor, covering floor, and also the wall, as you can see. So she asking for any help if it can be possible. So we are here in her house. This is inside the house. So naweza nikasema asante sana kwa msaada ambao mmeshatupatia. Ni msaada mmeshawapa. Unaweza tukashukuru kwa hiyo.
Nashukuru sana kwa msaada ambao mmetusaidia. Mungu awabariki sana.
She say thanks so much for the help you have been helping, and she's grateful to meet you, and also thank you for all what you have done for this family. Thanks so much on behalf of them again, and I finished the video.